This is the most funniest shit that gonna ever happen. I'm sorry for the language, but watch, guys. You will laugh your butt off. Just look. 1, 2, 3. You don't like the blow dryer? Man, I turned on the blow dryer to blow dry my baby, and all of a sudden, my one cat, he jumped so high from the blow dryer. You want to see it again? One more time. Take Sunny out the bathroom and close the bathroom door. Close the bathroom door. Ready? Again. 1, 2, 3. Boy. Thanks guys for watching. I know it's not a lot of time on there, but I had fun. Bye.